In this video, I will show you how to find your Wi-Fi password on Windows 11. To kick things off, locate the Windows icon on your taskbar. Now, click on it and type in Control Panel into the search bar that appears. From the search results, select Control Panel. Once you're in the Control Panel, look for an option that says View By. Make sure it's set to Categories. Next up, click on Network and Internet. In this menu, find and click on Network and Sharing Center. Here's where you can see details about your current network connections. Now, look for the name of the Wi-Fi network you are currently connected to. It should be prominently displayed here. Click on that network name to proceed. After clicking your network name, a new window will pop up. Here, find and click on Wireless Properties. In this new window, navigate to the Security tab. Here's where it gets interesting. You'll find an option called Network Security Key. This is essentially your Wi-Fi password. However, it might be obscured by a series of asterisks. To reveal your actual password, simply checkmark the box labeled Show Characters. Instantly, those asterisks will disappear, revealing your Wi-Fi password in plain text. Now that you've successfully uncovered your Wi-Fi password, feel free to copy it. You can use this password wherever needed, whether it's connecting another device or sharing with friends or family. And there you have it. A simple step-by-step guide on how to find your Wi-Fi password using Windows 11. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good day.